Welcome to English Learners Zone. In today's video, we're sharing a fun and easy English conversation between a mom and her daughter planning a family picnic. This dialogue will help you learn useful vocabulary and natural sentence structures for everyday situations. And after the conversation, don't miss the question and answer session to test your understanding and improve your English skills. Let's get started.
Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Tell your sisters about the picnic.
Okay, I think it is going to get hot later today.
That's good. It will be a good day for a swim in the lake.
I'll tell Cindy and Allison to wear their swimsuits.
Don't forget to pack your life jackets, too.
Okay, will Andy be joining us?
Of course your brother will be joining us. Where is he?
He's taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
You can wake him up. I'll get my sisters.
Andy, wake up. We're going to the lake.
Now quiz time. Where does Kathy want to have a picnic? What is her mom making for lunch? What does Mom tell Kathy not to forget? What is Kathy's brother doing? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Learners Zone. Comment below if you want more family-based or daily routine conversations. And remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video.